And just like that, Friday night at Knott's. Peanut celebration. Last time I was here, they were just starting the peanut celebration, so I hadn't actually seen what was going on. So this will be my first night here checking that out. Mark is due in. Just gonna have some rides. It's about 5 o'clock. I think the park's only open till 8 tonight, maybe 9. We'll check it out. Let's go.
Contest and fun for everyone. So, what are we waiting for?
I get to sit in the back, chill out.
Alright, campers, you're excited to ride the Beagle Express. Let me hear you say choo-choo.
Choo-choo! I don't know if anybody else did it, but I did it.
Vote for Lassie! They're busy trying to earn their Working Together merit badge. Only one contestant. Cabin decorator contest and an award for the cleanest cabin. If you ask me, this is just how the council set us kids to keep the camp nice and tidy. Even the Beagle Scouts have gotten in on the decorating fun. Beagle Scouts are quickly on their way to earning their helping someone.
So as you can see, they've taken out another piece of track closer to the station, trying to maybe get those LSMs in, the launching Jaguar. But the other piece that was out for a long time is still in. They're doing a lot of work. They're doing work in the station. You can see it. 2026, Montezooma.
Maybe they can make them into jams and jellies and sell them at their very own roadside stand. And then they could build their own chicken dinner restaurant. To the Jam and Jamboree beat. Jamboree victory and lift some delicious s'mores. Scoutmaster Snoopy and the Beagle Scouts are earning their final merit badge of the day. The badge for Sheriff.
Alright, campers, you're right. The Beagle Express is slowly coming to its end. Launch has come to a full and complete stop. Thank you guys for that last loud train whistle.
You know, I said 2026, but this could be 2027. Those look like they're going to be footers. Have to be. So that means they're going to yank out this whole station. Maybe they're putting a switch track in, some more attendance capacity. Why did I think of that word? Anyways, pretty cool seeing the construction going on right now. Hopefully continue to get those updates. Let's go! Camp Snoopy it is! Peanut celebration! Woo. and I'm in the wrong line. Let's go.
I was in the right line.
Snoopy's Tinder Paw. That's a really fun ride, I won't lie. I enjoy it. It's probably my third time on it, and every time I've been on it, I get off and say the same thing. That's a really fun ride. Mark is here. He went on Silver Bullet. I told him I'm going to Accelerator, so off I go. Mark just texted me and said, Accelerator's down. They're changing the train or something. That's some absolute malarkey. False alarm. Mark just said false alarm. How do you say false alarm to that? Accelerator down. What kind of craziness are you talking about, Mark? Who is this? It's Theme Park Mark. Crazy Theme Park Mark who just said accelerator was down.
Yeah, it is.
It is?
It is.
So he just asked me why I was over there at Tinderpaw riding that, and I was like, Camp Snoopy, why else would I not? And it's always packed, so I took my chance to go. Anyways, I did ask Accelerator Ops. Sounds like they're down possibly for the whole night. Yeah. Are you hungry?
Yeah, I'm hungry. I can eat.
Prop shop salad?
Sure.
Prop shop, here we go. Mark just said he had his usual parking issues, like normal.
Not parking.
Well,
getting
into the park, right? So, but I laughed because I had the same issues. I was getting in earlier, and I'm like waiting, and I'm watching the line next to me just going in, and I'm like, just going nuts. So I understand, Mark. I get it.
It always happens to me.
It happens to us all. Hang time. Got the back row. Got some sweet air time on that thing. It actually, always one janky spot in that thing. No matter where you're at, there's a janky spot. Yep. Now, granted, row 2 is way worse than row 4, but row 4, we all know, watch your stuff. But on to get something to eat. Prop shop. Let's eat. Sweet. Back here at Pony Express, had a little bit of dinner. We're off to the graveyard to get us some luck in, and then I believe we're gonna ride Ghost Rider a few times. I think Accelerator's still down, but we will check. But this is probably gonna be out. I really just wanted to see Montezooma's, ride some rides, and get out a quick little vlog. So I'm gonna wrap it up right now with hands up, seatbelt buckle, and your phone in the pocket. And if I need to come back, I can just edit it later.